Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this shell stitch here, and it is done in multiples of 6, and to make it wider you can just add more multiples of 6. I did a chain 24 for multiples of 6 and then plus 2 for a turning chain at the end. I did use an H hook. You can use any size hook depending on how thick and wide you want this. This type of stitch is great for blankets, and I used medium worsted lavender, purple, and light green yarn, and I think the colors complement each other. So let's get started. Okay, with the shell stitch, I'm going to get started by having a slip knot onto my hook. I'm starting out with 24 chains plus 2 because the shell stitch is done in multiples of 6. So yarn over and work your chains up to 24, and then we'll add 2 more at the end for a turning chain. If you'd like to make this wider, then just add multiples of 6. Okay, so now I have 24 chains, and I'm going to add 2 more for my turning chain, so that's 26, and this is done in multiples of 6, this stitch. So in the second chain from the hook, I'm going to work a single crochet. So 1, 2, insert your hook in that second chain from the hook. Grab that yarn, and you're going to work a single crochet. Yarn over and pull through. Then you're going to skip 2 chains, 1, 2, yarn over, and you'll work a double crochet into that chain, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and I'm going to work 4 more double crochet in that chain, for a total of 5 altogether. So you have 5 double crochet, skip 2 chains, and then work single crochet in the next. Skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and then work 5 double crochet again. So you have 5 double crochet, that creates your shell, and then you're going to skip 2 again, 1, 2, and then single crochet. And then that's the pattern across. And then you're going to skip 2 and you work your 5 double crochet again. And then skip 2, 1, 2, single crochet, and then skip 2 and work your 5 double crochet again. And that's how you do the pattern for this to start. There is a pattern link down below for this type of stitch, and if you have a computer you can go to the link below for how to do this in slow motion if you need to watch it at a slower speed. Not sure if you can do that on your phone, it's just on the computer. And then in the last 1, 2, 3, you're going to single crochet. Insert your hook. And it should look like this. And then if you like to color change, I'm going to show you how to color change next. If you like to add a color, you can add a color now for the next row, or you can stick with the same color that you're working with. I'm taking my yarn and I'm pulling it through the loop to start a new color. And then I'm going to chain 1 with my new color and turn. Then I'm going to yarn over, and in that beginning stitch here, I'm going to work 3 double crochet. So insert your hook, grab that yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops for a double crochet, and then double crochet 2 more times for a total of 3 double crochet. And then skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, single crochet in that next stitch. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over and pull through 2 loops for a single. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then in that next stitch here, skip 2, 1, 2, you're going to work 5 double crochet. Yarn over, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and work 4 more double crochet. Skip 2, 1, 2, single crochet. Right on the center of that shell, single, skip 2, yarn over, 1, 2, and then double crochet 5 in that next stitch. And that's the pattern across, and then you'll finish at the end. I'll show you how to finish. Skip 2, 1, 2, single crochet, yarn over, skip 2, 1, 2, double, work 5 double crochet again, skip 2, 1, 2, single crochet, and then skip 2, 1, 2, and then in that last stitch you're going to work 3 double crochet. And then single crochet after your 3. And then you can change colors if you like. I'll show you that next. Okay, at the end we're going to switch colors. If you'd like to switch colors, or you can stay with the same color you're using. Grab the yarn, pull through the loop, yarn over and chain 1 and turn, yarn over, and then these 3 double crochet you're going to skip, then you're going to go over to this stitch here and work 5 double crochet, that's 1, and so you'll do 4 more, yarn over, grab that yarn, and then 4, and then skip 2, and then single crochet, and then skip 2 stitches, and then work your double crochet, 1, 2, skip, work double crochet 5, skip 2, 1, 2, single crochet, and then skip 1, 2, work your 5 double crochet, and then skip 2, 1, 2, single crochet, and skip 2, 1, 2, work your 5 double crochet, and then skip 2 stitches at the end, 1, 2, and then single crochet at the end. And then you're going to alternate between row 2 and row 3. So then you're going to go back to row 3 and how you do row 2. So once you do row 3, you're going to alternate back to row 2 and then do row 3. And then you'll be alternating between the two of those 2 rows to finish the rest. So when you do row 2, you're going to chain 1. You can change your color. Chain 1, turn. In that same chain, you're going to work 3 double crochet here. Then you're going to skip 2 and then single crochet. And then you're going to skip 2 and work your 5 double crochet. And that's just starting row 2 all over again. And then you'll go back to row 3, which is this one. And this is how you do this type of stitch, the shell stitch. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.